Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Magic Write for content creation in Canva. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the canva.com. Please make sure that you are logged in with your Canva account. After login, you will see the new menu at your left corner. Now click on the close create icon. Here you will see different templates. Click on the social media templates that you want. Once clicked, it will redirect you to the new page. From the menu, select text or doc, whichever is present in your interface. This opens a blank document where you can start writing your content. Now you will see the Magic Write option. Click on it and write what you want to create. Then click on Generate or Submit. Canva will instantly create content for you. You can just rewrite or shorten the text, as well as you can expand the ideas or generate more versions of it. So you can choose any of them and then just add them. And that's how you can use Magic Write for content creation in Canva. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.